Francine and I are the last ones to leave the albergue. No, there's one bicyclist getting his stuff together. But yeah, everyone's out of here. We're the only ones left.
Already?
Yeah. It was an okay albergue, except we'll turn out all the lights and shut this door. We don't want the door open. Okay, we're out of here. Francine and I are the last ones out of the albergue. We're gonna go find some coffee and have a nice hot cup of coffee. Buongiorno. Stiamo un po' male. Abbiamo un tosse. Anche lei. Dobbiamo camminare oggi. Presto stamattina, ma dobbiamo prendere il caffè. Prima cose in mattina. È vero. That's pretty cool. Making our way out of Logroño. It's a pretty large town. But I'm pretty sure anytime there's a cathedral, the Camino path is close by. Yeah. Stiamo cercando per la sentiera, the path. Questa è la mia amica di Quebec. Lei parla francese, anche inglese. Do you have another coffee? Yeah. Una colazione italiana. Francine was really coughing last night in bed. I thought for sure we were going to have a rest day today, but it's okay, because I was good either way. We walk, we don't walk, so I think today's day 10. Woohoo! Having my Italian cappuccino and gonna hit the road. Logroño's a pretty big town, so it's gonna take another half hour just to get out of the town. We've been walking 44 minutes, gone 2 kilometers, and I think we're halfway through Logroño. We've done 3.83 kilometers. We're over here by this duck sanctuary. We're still in Logroño, and we've been walking an hour. But I think we're on the outskirts of the town now. These guys passed us. But look, slow and steady wins the day. It's true. I saw them pass us, and I'm like, well, I stopped to blow my nose, and they were right behind me. I could not believe it. You are mine, old man. You are mine. It's taken us about an hour and a half just to get out of the city. And now we start our big long walk, and we do have sun, thank goodness, so we're pretty happy about that. Both still a little under the weather, but for me, I think it's going to pass pretty soon. You can see them down there, but these two ladies said, oh, hey, we haven't seen you in 2 days. We got caught in that storm. Yeah, they got caught in that same storm. They couldn't get a taxi either.
But we're not too far behind, I can tell you.
No, we just go at our own pace.
We're not too far behind.
Every time her bottle goes clink, it's just so funny because it's like, here comes Francine. But you know, it's better than, because the first day I met Francine, her water bottle kept dropping onto the trail, and oh God. Yeah. We found a water fountain over here, so we're gonna top off our water. Yeah.
You want to do yours? We did 6.97. Yeah, mine I have less, but I know it's...
Yeah, and we're just on the outskirts of the town, and it says we have 19 total to do today. Beautiful park that we're going to. I really, really like Logroño. Like, if I had to pick a city to live in Spain right now, Logroño's on top on my list. very clean. Oh my goodness.
Maybe the water? No, they got some water.
We're still in this magnificent park outside of Logroño. And we have about 10 kilometers to go until Ventosa. It's a nice short day for us. 11. And we're kind of hungry. Are you hungry?
No. You?
I could eat. I could eat. Maybe we'll see
If
something.
we can find something nice.
Yeah, maybe there's
Food truck,
something.
maybe, we never know.
Okay.
You know?
Oui. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. That's your friend there in the wood chipper. Okay today. We got some sun. It's like the third day out of 10 that we've actually had sun. Just taking a little potty break here. Maybe somebody is, maybe Francine, I don't know. And we're gonna stop here in this town of Navarrete and have a coffee, maybe an orange juice. Come on along, come on. We're not staying at either one of those albergues. We have to go all the way to Ventosa, up the road a spell. Buenos días. Zumo de naranja. Anche no, una di questa, sì. And the piccola tortilla. Sì, grazie. Bravo.
Era sandwich, omelette y...
No.
Vale. Sorry.
No, just, okay, we're not going there, we're going here.
Been walking 4.5 hours and we've gone 15 kilometers and a little over 10 miles. She's hacking up over there. Yeah, she's coughing like I was yesterday. I seem to be doing better, but could be just the meds talking. We have 4 more kilometers to go. Just leaving Navarrete. Francine has to put on her rubbers, so go ahead.
Okay,
And there you go.
there you go.
Okay, because when we get on the pavement, the rubbers go on. I always have my rubbers on. Francine said, hey, let's have one of those cough drops we bought last night. I'm like, okay. So she's sucking on, the cough drop. She's like, yeah, it's not good. Yeah, not very good, And she goes, then she says, hey, Robin, I don't mean to be nasty, but your candy is not very good. I'm like, listen here. You're the one whose hand was going towards the yellow bag of, cough drops, honey cough drops. I bought those for you. I don't know what it is about today, but we're both dragging. My pack feels 15 pounds heavier than it did yesterday. We finally found our road to our albergue. It's just off the beaten path. We got 1 kilometer to go. God, it may as well be 10 miles. We're so tired. Thinking about taking a rest day tomorrow. Okay. 1.23 kilometers. Oh, okay. This is it. This is our albergue. Nice job finding it. Number 33.
Yeah.
We're dog tired. 22 kilometers. Very pretty. Can find my bag. One moment. Yeah, that's mine. And there's hers. I'm just making sure our bags were there. Yeah.
Yours is...
Yeah, mine's up there. English, Italiano. Ecco.
Oh,
You got it.
perdón.
You got it.
It's okay?
It's okay.